Today is a Monday morning and I want to show you how I go about starting my day. I have already taken shower and have gotten ready. As you all know, that's the first thing I do. I don't have to go drop off my daughter today, so I wanted to do is do a couple loads of laundry, clean up here and there, and then go tackle my pantry today. So without any delay, let's get going and let me take you around my home and show you how my day starts when I'm home. Okay, let's tackle my bedroom first. So one thing is out and done, and then we'll go downstairs. Before that, I want to start a load of laundry. Just loaded all the clothes in the washer and I am going to start the laundry. Hey Siri, set timer for 40 minutes. The reason why I set up the timer for 40 minutes is then as soon as that will buzz, I will come upstairs and change the load from washer to dryer and add another load here. Finally grabbing a cup of coffee and we will take a look what the pantry has. It's been raining outside. What a perfect day to clean out my pantry, finish up my laundry, pantry laundry, pantry laundry, pantry laundry. I think that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to play with those 2 days. Then we'll be set for hopefully some time. So let's see what's inside my lovely pantry. That's so lovely right now, trust me. I thought I was going to do a quick pantry reset, meaning just put a few things here and there. Not so much of restocking or anything. I was planning to just finish this real quickly, but looking at this pantry right now, please don't judge me, it is complete mess. And what I am thinking is, let's go ahead and do a full pantry reset, and also it would be just functional and not just pretty. You all know how I go about it. I like aesthetic, I like functional. I don't want to spend too much money in containers. I am not the person who does container inside a container, and then just try to put a lot of baskets. And sure, I'll be using some baskets, some containers which I already have. And if you love satisfying organizations videos, then you are going to love this. Without any delay, let's get started. So I am going to first pull out everything from this pantry, and then I'm just gonna put everything on the kitchen island. and this will make a huge difference because you'll be able to see what exactly I have, and also like I can wipe down all the shelves. So let's get started. What I will be doing is, as soon as I empty one shelf at a time, instead of getting overwhelmed, I will start creating categories. So here are the appliances which I keep on the counter on my pantry with the electric point that we created. This is kind of my appliance setup there. So I will keep all the kitchen gadgets on one side because usually we keep 3 of them, which I almost use kind of every day. So I'm gonna put that. This is an empty basket, so I'm gonna put one pile of empty containers and baskets and that kind of stuff. And then there's gonna be a section of baking goods, snacks, and then meal prep items, and then we'll go from there how I end up having all the stuff here and how I'm categorizing. So without any delay, let's do one shelf at a time, empty the shelf and then categorize. That way, you know, as soon as I empty the other shelf, I know what goes where. So if I end up getting some kind of snack in my hand, I know it's gonna go with the chips and crackers or other snack. That's so I have completely emptied out my pantry and I have tried to sort all the things according to the items where they belong. For example, all the canned food, here's the oil, some dals, lentils, flour, and let me show you how I have categorized per my need. And then you guys can see how clean and neat this looks. Here are all the oils and some of the syrups. These are 4 big containers of flour, rice, sugar, and big items. These were supposed to be my back stock. I am not sure what else is inside. There's some snacks and all the stuff here. These are the canned goods, so this is one category. Here are all my dals, so I am gonna go through them and see what exactly I'm gonna do with them. These are some popcorn, some snacks, and some condiments here. It's a mix of everything, so I'm just gonna change it. I love this Lazy Susan. Snacks, other category is the breakfast items. Some spices. I usually keep all my spices in kitchen drawer. These are all empty containers, so I'm gonna keep them here. And if you go on this side, I have all these tea, coffee supplies here, some cereal on that side, dog food is on that side. This is a little other stuff like protein powder and chia seeds and that kind of stuff that's here for me. And as I said, this is all appliances which goes there. And that's all. Alright, so let's decant few things that needs to be decanted. I just cut this मूंग दाल, इसे मूंग दाल कहते हैं. मैंने उसे कट किया है और मैं इसमें डाल दूंगी ताकि कंटेनर में रहे. I make this kind of पोटली, ऐसी पोटली बनाती हूँ जिसमें थोड़े लॉन्ग होते हैं, which has some cloves in this, and I'm gonna put this in the end of the, like at the whatever, the bottom of the container, so that I don't have any pests here. And the second one goes there because I'm gonna add something else here. Let me show you how my pantry looks right now. I did some work later at night and then finished the whole thing yesterday before I went to bed. It was way too late for me to shoot, so I just figured I was gonna give you a tour this morning when the light was right. So let's see how it turned out. I hope you guys have enjoyed this day with me. I have gotten a lot of things done. I am so happy. Now off I go to pick up my daughter from school, and I have finished so much work. There's so much sense of accomplishment. I'm so grateful for this wonderful day, and until we meet again, please like, comment and subscribe. Take care, love you, and ciao!